friends, welcome to channel Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make potato and cauliflower curry and it will be very nice, very tasty to eat. So while making I will show you the ingredients. So let us start the recipe. Come on, first of all what we have to do I will show you that. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, comment, share. I have taken cauliflower, potato and the data from it. Data means the sticks, the stalks. You can see this also I will mix in the curry. So I am going to fry the cauliflower and potatoes. Put some mustard oil. The cauliflower and potato is fried up. Now I will move it. I will put little more oil, mustard oil. This is pachforan. I am going to use pachforan in the curry today. Put the pachforan. This is ginger, garlic and onion paste. So I am going to put this in also. This is dhania, jeera and red chili paste. This also I am going to put. Put some turmeric powder. Masalas are turned brown. I have showed you that I am using the stalks of cauliflower. So I am going to put this in. The cauliflower stalks are very tasty to eat. Now I will put in the cauliflower and potato. Put salt to taste. Put the water. This is village type cooking. Cover it and let it cook. put in 2 green chilies. I have taken tomato cut up and dhania patti cut up, coriander leaves. That also I will put it in. Now I will let the curry cook. Village style cauliflower and potato curry is ready. Today the cauliflower and potato will have a different taste, different flavor, because I have made it in a village style. Thank you for watching my video.